And today we're here to talk about the weight loss tip of the week, and it is weight loss made simple, baby. Weight loss made simple. I have so many clients come up to me and say, oh, you know what, man? I'm struggling with my goals. I'm struggling to get there, struggling to stay on. And here's the deal. Really what it comes down to is this: choice. Either you want to or you don't want to. Either you see the value in the change or you're actually being served by the behaviors that we're doing right now. All right, that's something that we always forget, and it's something that we also have to honor as well, is that we wouldn't be doing certain things if we weren't getting benefits from them. So where you are right now, you are absolutely getting benefits from. It's when the pain of staying where you are outweighs the pain of change that we do change. So that's really my question to you today is, do you really want to change? If your desire to change in terms of what you actually feel you are going to be gaining in your life, and what is going to be turned on in your life, and what you're going to be receiving in your life, if what you actually perceive from that side is greater than the pain of staying the same, that's when it becomes worth it for you. So ask yourself the question, do you really want to change right now, or are you really truly happy with where you are? And if you're truly happy with where you are, then honor that. Honor that. And if there's a time that you feel like, okay, now it's time, let's go. I will do whatever's necessary, I'll do whatever I need to do to make this change, then it's just gonna feel like a natural course. But forcing ourselves into a situation that we don't truly desire at that particular time is not truly honoring who we are at that particular time. So I ask you to ask yourself this question: is this what you truly want? Is where you are right now what you truly desire? All right? Or would you like to be somewhere else? And if you'd like to be somewhere else, I ask you to answer the second question of why. What is that going to do for your life? What is that going to give you? What is that going to enable in your life that you perceive you don't have right now? All right, because if we don't see it from that perspective, then staying the same is just great. And if that's perfect for you, then that is the perfect you. You guys, Trevor Cherry here. I hope you guys got a ton out of that. You're gonna have an outstanding, inspired rest of your day.